Hey everybody, Peter Valley here, and I'm here to unveil what is got to be the #1 most requested thing in the history of my website, of me training Amazon sellers, which is, hey Peter Valley, put together a mini class that breaks down all the steps to go from knowing nothing, like not even having an Amazon seller account, to making money on Amazon. Is there any way you can put together a training that puts everything together into one very, very brief, concise class? And that's what I've done. Introducing my 10-step FBA Quickstart Training web class. This is a 100% free web class that I put together to, again, take you from knowing nothing to making money on Amazon. The 10 steps, everything from setting up your Amazon seller account, to what hardware you should buy, to what software you should buy and which you shouldn't buy because most of it you don't need, to creating shipments to Amazon, to creating a sourcing list. Everything, all the steps in one step-by-step linear program. That's what's available to you right now. If you hit the link below this video, you can register and dive in. I'm really proud of this, and this is definitely one of those things that I would have killed for when I got started selling on Amazon because I didn't have much back then. If you click the link below, then you'll see there's a screenshot from that page where I subtitle it, the 10 quick and easy steps to go from nothing to cash and launch your FBA business today. Everything from how to set up an account, what equipment, etc., etc., etc. It's all there in one concise web class. And let me get some details out of the way here in case you're wondering. Yes, this is 100% free. There are no strings. There's no bait and switch. Free means free. I'm literally giving this away, and I'll tell you why here in a second. And it's not because I'm a nice guy, okay? We're going to spend about 45 minutes together, and I'm going to pack as much as I can into those 45 minutes. And the quality of this web class is 100 times higher than 99% of the free stuff you see on the internet, right? We all get bombarded with this stuff. You go to a website and they're like, check out my downloadable free PDF on tips and tricks for whatever, or check out my free video. Forget all that noise, right? This is nothing like that. I put everything I had into this web class and packed as much as I could in. The quality you're going to get from this web class is on another level, so forget all that nonsense you get bombarded with. This is totally different. I am going to give you a shortcut right past a learning curve so you can be up and running and making money on Amazon super fast. That's what I'm going to deliver in this web class. Again, I don't know why you're watching this, okay? Hit the link below and dive in, but if you need more, I can give you that. So just to get this out of the way, if you're like, who is this madman yelling at me on the computer? Well, my name's Peter Valley. I've been selling on Amazon for over 10 years, primarily in the books category. I somehow accidentally became the world's most published author on Amazon selling. I truly don't know how that happened. There's some of my books you can see there down below. I do the website FBAmastery.com. And yes, I come from humble beginnings, okay? So I really committed to this business when I found at a garage sale a book called Oh Rio by an author named Bruce Weber. It was actually a photography book, and I bought it for $1 and resold it for $500. And that's when I was hooked on this business. So why did I make this class? I told you it's not because I'm a nice guy, right? So let me just get this out of the way. Bottom line, I get a lot of emails. People that go, how do I create a shipment? Where do I go to my inventory? Where's my inventory page? Should I use UPS or FedEx? It was just, I get like all these emails, right? And so basically I made this class to save myself from having to answer dozens of those emails every single week. So now I can just go, hey, watch the class, and I'm happy and you're happy and everyone's happy. You can build an entire business off this web class. That's my promise to you. Now, I have to give you some warning though. There is a catch, sort of. Here's how this web class is different than all the other, free stuff, all that noise you get bombarded with. This is a real class. This is not just some free video that you see on the internet, okay? So the way this is the catch, and what I mean by this specifically is when you register, class is in session. There is no pause button. There's no fast forward button. You can't come back and watch it later. You have to sit down and dedicate 45 minutes to learning what I'm going to teach you, and that is in exchange for me giving this stuff away for free. Basically, I'm giving it away for free so I can make the rules, okay? And the rules are no pausing. You have to take this seriously. Otherwise, I don't want you on this web class, okay? So again, no pause button, no fast forward, no rewind. Number 2, I'm not holding anything back. Most free stuff on the internet, they like tell you a little bit, but then they hold back and they're like, oh God, go buy my thing. Like, here's the deal. I've got courses, like paid courses, yes. But in the 45 minutes we're going to spend together, I'm packing as much as I possibly can into this web class. And again, you can build a whole business off it. Number 3, there's going to be party favors. I always reward people who stay to the end of my classes. This is not the only one I have. I've got a few other web classes. When people stay to the end, because most people just don't take it seriously. And so when I see people taking it seriously, I like to reward them. So there's going to be stuff if you wait until the end that I'm going to tell you how to get access to this free stuff that you can't get anywhere else, but you only get it if you watch to the end of the web class. So let's get really specific. What are we going to cover? And by the way, again, why are you watching this? The link is below. You can register right now. But if you still need to be sold, here's what we're going to cover. Number 1, how to set up your Amazon seller account. Part 2, how to decide what to sell. There's lots of different business models on Amazon. What hardware to buy. Do you need a barcode scanner? What printer should you buy, et cetera, et cetera. What software to buy and what not to buy, because 99% of it is a waste of your time. How to create a list, an airtight list of profitable sources, exactly how to actually source inventory, how to list your inventory, how to ship it into Amazon, and then how to get paid. It's all the fun stuff, all in one class, 45 minutes. Hit the link below to register. I put a lot of work into this, you guys, and I cannot wait to share this with you. So hit the link below, and I'll see you over there.